Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video to your document on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, in order to add a video to Google Docs, you will need to upload the video file to your Google Drive first. So let's just open up our web browser and then go to Google Drive. Once you're in your Google Drive page, simply click on the New button and then click on File Upload. You can now simply open up your video and this will begin the upload process. Once the upload is complete, just open up the video and then click on the three dots at the right side and click on Share. Now from the Share page, make sure you click on the restricted drop-down menu and select anyone with the link. Now all you need to do is click on Copy Link and now click on the Done button and now simply go to your Google Docs. Open up the document where you want to link your video and then scroll over your cursor to the point where you want your video link to appear. Now all you need to do is paste in this link. And now after pasting your link, simply tap on the Enter button and this will link your video onto your Google Docs document. You can simply click on the link and this will redirect you into the video. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a video to your document on Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.